Hello and welcome to my channel, Boo Snakes and More. Today we're going to be talking about Earth's oldest moving animal. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And for more videos like this, also watch my other house channel, A Nice Snakes and Stuff, my youngest son's channel, Henny's Toys and Games, or my oldest son's channel, Little Chris 10. Now let's dive into the video. Pathologists have revealed the fossilized remains of a curious creature that is not only one of Earth's oldest animals, but may even be the first to have ever been mobile. Dubbed Quasado simpsonarum, the long extinct species was discovered in the Australian outback by Florida State University geologist Professor Scott Evans and his colleagues. Quasado lived some 555 million years ago in the so-called Quaternion period, a key time in the history of life when complex multicellular life first evolved. The animal is a little smaller than the size of your palm and has a question mark shape in the middle of its body that distinguishes between the left and the right side, Evans said in a statement. Quasado is the earliest known animal to have a left/right astronomy, an important evolutionary development that allowed animals to do different this with each side of their body, allowing them to adapt to different evolutionary pressures. Having left and right astronomy shows some level of complexity, and it is exciting to be able to recognize it at all in these earliest fossil animals, which in many other ways can look very simple and or strange, Evans told Newsweek. There aren't other fossils from this time that have shown this type of organization so definitively. Understanding how such forms first arose from the genetic prospect can provide a new window into the mechanisms that drove the organs of complex life, Evans explained. He said because animals today use the same basic genetic programming to form distinct left and right sides, we can be reasonably confident those same genes were operating to produce these features in Quasado, an animal that has been extinct for more than 500 million years. Quasado is especially interesting he added, as it is also one of the first animals capable of moving about on its own. In fact, the researchers explained, it is believed that the strange creature behaved like a prehistoric underwater Roomba, roving across the seafloor, vacuuming up nutrients from algae, bacteria, and other microscopic organisms as it moved along the slimy seafloor. Among the research team was Iwan Hughes, a graduate student in the field of organismic and evolutionary biology at Harvard University. He said in a statement, one of the most exciting moments when excavating the bed where we found mini Quasado was when we flipped over a rock, brushed it off, and spotted what was obviously a trace fossil behind a Quasado specimen. As the name suggests, trace fossils do not preserve the body of a creature, but the traces it leaves behind rather trails, footprints, burrows, or resting impressions. It is very rare for trace fossils to be linked to the body fossils that made them, and often one type of trace can be left by many different species. It is for this reason that trace fossils are named according to their own classification system, distant to that of biological species. However, the discovery of a fossilized resting trace clearly made by a crustado, but in a different place to the corresponding body fossil, shines a light on how the creature would have behaved in life. It was, as Hughes put it, a clear sign that the organism was motile. It could move. With their initial study of Cruzado complete, the team are looking to continue their evacuations within the Nebula Equatorial National Park where the new species was found. By analyzing stone deposits that buried the Endocardian marine communities just as they lived, the researchers are hoping to learn more about how the organisms interacted. We're still finding new things every time we dig, said Hughes, even though these were some of the first animal ecosystems in the world. They were already very diverse. We see an explosion of life really early on in the history of animal evolution. Thank you for watching this video and peace out to the next one.